Happy 626, guys. If you haven't seen my story earlier, I did post myself in a whole getup. Don't get too excited. That's all my youngest daughter's items. You all know that I'm not the biggest fan of Stitch, but to celebrate 626 today, I am on the way to the store. I was gonna go to Five Below, but I think I'm just gonna check my Target to see if we can find something Stitch related to open with you guys. It's only fair that I celebrate 626 with everyone, right? Let's go ahead and see if we're lucky to find something at the store Stitch related. Also, I won't lie, I like the live action movie. Off to the toy department to see if we can find anything Stitch. Y'all, I can't find anything Stitch. This is seriously the only thing I've been able to find with Stitch in my Target. This is what happens when you procrastinate. Don't worry, they're not $20.99, but this might be the only thing I can open. Y'all, my Target, it's extremely clearing out in the toy section. That just means new toys are coming in, but nothing Stitch. I didn't get that car only because I didn't really want to pay over $6 for that thing. Now I'm gonna have to go to Five Below, and I didn't want to because Five Below tempts me to get other things that I don't need. You know what I'm saying? It looks like we're off to Five Below. So while I was driving out of the Target parking lot, it's in a shopping center, and there's this Dollar Worth store, it's called over here, like a Asian type of store. On the outside I saw, Big Inter Energy. We're gonna quotation that because we know obviously they're not the real ones. Then I saw that they had the Stitch blind boxes in. One that I got my daughter at the flea market that I showed you guys during my live. She had the Stitch ones in store. So I decided, you know what, I didn't want to drive to Five Below. I know, I'm so tired. It's been a day. But I didn't want to drive to Five Below. And I actually did want to get one of these to open today. I just didn't want to drive all the way to the flea market to get it. But what are the odds that I drive by and I notice that she has it on the outside of her door, that she has these? So we got something Stitch to open. And honestly, these are really cute, guys. If it's anything like the one that my daughter opened at the flea market, they looked so good. She got the pizza one. I'll see if I can insert the video throughout here so you could see it. Let's see. This doesn't have a rib tab. It's just an open one. But let's open a Stitch plush pendant blind box for 626 day. So who would I want? My daughter already has the pizza one. Honestly, I would love the secret. The secret is holding Scrump. I would love the secret, but we know I'm not that lucky. Honestly, if we can get the pineapple one is cute. We have the pineapple one. There's a strawberry ice cream one. I actually prefer the ones where their eyes are open. So hopefully any of the ones that the eyes are open. So this one will damage the box. It does come in a blind bag, and I know hers had a card. This one does not have a card. How cute! I told you guys they don't look that bad at all. Oh, and the ears are they have wires in them, so they're adjustable. We got the strawberry cone one. How cute! Now their hands and their legs move a lot, but you know what? That doesn't bother me at all. The face. Look at how cute the face is. It does come with a clip so you can put it on your bag. This one's called Strawberry Cone. I did say that was what I would have wanted, so I'm not mad. But look how adorable he is with the hard eyes. So cute, and maybe the first and last Stitch, who knows? Because honestly, I find these plush blind box ones so adorable, but I'm not gonna admit that. But anyways, happy 626 day for me and Stitch.